want to show you how to play the main theme from Yellowstone. It's a beautiful film score. If you want to have the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. We can start off with the right hand melody so that you can play that right away. We're in the key of G, and we get into E minor some in there too. So E minor chords, a B chord, A minor chord, and a C chord. But it starts off with an E minor chord. And we'll start off with that in the melody. B, E, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, D sharp, B, B, E, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E, A sharp, F sharp, and B. So we're actually, your home key is really E minor on here, and your key signature is a G key signature, but then you've got some extra accidentals in there. And then we go on with E, A, B, A minor, A and C, D, C, B, A, B, G, E, B, E, F sharp, E and G, A, G, D sharp and F sharp, D sharp, D sharp, E. Now the only catch there is I start it down here. It's a cello sound, so it sounds better in that octave. Then you come up into the violin range. Violins take it over right there. And of course there's at the end of it there's a reprise where the violas have a little part in there. The reprise part is the same thing. Right at the ending. Now here's where the violins stay right there, but the violas take it over with this B, G, B, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, F sharp and B. And what I do there is I hold the D sharp through that. Then I hold the B through this. And then I hold that B. So that viola line is, it's going to be a B, G, go to a B and an E, E flat, E, F sharp, G, A, F sharp and B, and then hold that B through, and then the only other part that there is there in that bridge section is you've got this bridge section. You've got in the left hand you're going to have G and A, the right hand you're going to have B and C. We have B unison, and then A, B in the right hand, C, D sharp in the left hand, and then C, B, A, B, A, G. Now the only catch there again, I jump up an octave here, so we go E. Right here I jump up because the violins kick in there right there. So we've got a B and a D sharp, and then C, B, A, left hand goes to C, B, A, G, left hand goes to B, and then A, G, F sharp, B, and then you got to have an abrupt cutoff right there. Now let's put them together. The only thing I can't duplicate the gong that he starts off with. He has that a few places in there. But we can start off with a... Now I'll roll roll that chord, E, B, E, G. If you want to, you can roll it E, B, E, G like this. You can roll it like that. I usually hit it with the thumb and then I take it over with the... So, and then for the drum setting, to keep you a steady pulse behind that, I've got it set on a mellow 8-beat setting, and then I've got it at 82 beats per minute. So you can start it. Okay. So now I won't use the drums right now so that we can talk about the notes. But you've got that first initial roll. Make that a violent, abrupt entry. Hold it for a second, and then E, G, E, G, E, G, E. Go all the way up to this A. Hold it. And then come down. Now I play this. You can play it with your thumb, but I'm already there. And this holds into it. That way I can hold that slightly and then start the line right here. Now, all that he's got scored there is just a solid E. But it gives a little extra harmony if right there in the middle there, if I put it in E, B. So I usually do, but you don't have to. So in the left hand, you're going to have E, 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 E and B, E, E, B, and then E, 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 B, 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 B. Do it again. Now here we go to an F sharp to the A sharp. And then to a B, F sharp, B, B, F sharp, B, and then we move right on up to the up into the violin range, E, A, B, and we've got an A in the bass. So we go from that E, 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 E and B, E, E, F sharp, bum, bum, B, 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 then the A. There's your left hand. So if we put them together right there before we move up to the F sharp and the B, you have that. And be real forceful with that D and the C. So you see, it's a kind of forceful sound. Now see, you don't have a pickup in the left hand, you just have the pickup in the right hand. I hold that octave with I take over that E with my left hand so that I can cut off the drums. So let me show you that with the drums and how I'll cut that off. I go. I cut it off with my right hand. So let's play with the drums. Hold that, then. So you've got a nice little subdued G in the left hand, B in the right hand, A in the left hand, C in the right hand. Hold that, and then jump up to this octave. Unison Bs. Get the D sharp in the left hand. Back to the C in the left hand. Walking it down. Now without me talking, it'll sound like this. Now he starts back right in after that, but to use the drums, I have to start the drums off before I come in. So I start them. Gradually just let all three fingers come up. Now I do that so I can keep this B going right on through. See, if I reach over and cut them off with my right hand, then I lose that B sound right through there. So when you get to the end there, that's what I do. I go with my ring finger. So I can hit this B and the D sharp together to the G, and then I go up with the B and the E together. So I'll hit whatever finger you use. I hit the index finger there, so that I have enough fingers to go all the way up that line. So without me talking, let me play it for you. E flat on the right hand, unison E flat, and you cut the drums off. There you have it. It's a beautiful film score, theme for Yellowstone, main theme. Hope you enjoy playing it.